I have a question for you. Do you like that Nike is bringing back some sneakers out of the vault, some rare, exclusive, hype sneakers that are worth thousands of dollars, and they're bringing them back in 2025? We're going to see it more in 2026. Do you guys like this? Let me know down below in the comments, because in today's video, we're going to take a look at a sneaker that was reselling at one point for over $2,000, and Nike, over a decade later, brought the sneaker back. I'm curious to know, what do you guys think about this? Make sure you guys smash that like button for me, and make sure you guys subscribe to the channel. We just hit 82,000 subscribers. We're on the road to 100,000 subscribers. I want to get that silver play button this year, so please make sure you guys smash that like button for me. Let me know down below in the comments. Answer my question. Do you like that Nike is bringing back these hype, exclusive, rare, expensive Grail sneakers? They're retroing them, obviously making that price drop drastically. Are you a fan of it? Me personally, I'm all for it. I think nothing is off limits. Just do it, Nike. Just like their slogan, just do it. Keep it coming. Keep doing it. In 2025, we are going to see them do it more. An example, the Undefeated 4. Just an example. But in today's video, we're going to take a look at another example. I did wind up getting these from a subscriber. We did a local meetup. Here's the photo. We took a pic together. I appreciate you, brother, for showing me some love on this pair. He wanted a few extra dollars. He goes, wait, you're Danny? I'll sell it to you for what you're asking. No problem. Let's do it. All I ask is for a picture. I said, let's do it, bro. No problem. So he hit on the Nike sneakers app in my size. Awesome. I did not pay retail. I paid resale, but a little bit under market. Not too bad. So I had to. You guys can tell from the box. Here's another photo. In 2014, I graduated high school, so that might give you an idea of how old I am. But yes, I graduated in 2014 wearing this sneaker on my feet. Of course, the 2012 pair, so I had to get them back. In 2013, it took me about a year after the shoe released, I finally picked up a pair, and then I wore them in 2014 to high school graduation. And I'll be honest with you, that pair was tight. My feet were screaming. It was a size 10, and this sneaker, I like to go true to size, even up half a size, because they do mold to your foot and just fit more comfortably. Back in high school, I was so big into this sneaker. It was a shoe, not this sneaker specifically, but the model. I was wearing this model like once, sometimes twice a week to school. Every week, without fail. It just one of my favorite shoes growing up. So I had to go back and finally get them, that Nike retro them, because resale on that pair at one point was like over $2,000. I did camp out for this shoe back in 2012 as well, and well, I was too late. I was way too late. I showed up like 4, maybe 5 hours before the release, and I wound up getting not a single shoe from that entire pack, because my mall was packed. There was over 2,000 people at my mall. Just take that what you will. We do not see lineups with over 2,000 people anymore. Even if it is first come, first serve, you're not seeing a line with over 2,000 people. It's unheard of nowadays. But let's get into the shoe. They have retroed them. New box, which is cool. We do got the Galaxy print on the box. I love to see that. This is my personal pair, which I have worn already. I put them on feet as soon as I got them, and well, I wore them outside a few times. I've been wearing this shoe. Absolutely a huge joy to wear. The Air Foamposite 1 QS, so it is a quick strike. Obsidian, Anthracite, and Black is the official colorway, and here they are. One of my favorite sneakers of all time. One of the sneakers that absolutely, without a doubt, changed the entire sneaker game. If you know, you know. Don't argue it in the comments. Don't argue, this shoe didn't change the game. What are you talking? Yes, it did. You simply weren't there. You simply don't know what you're talking about if you disregard this sneaker. It's cool. Maybe you just got into shoes. That's perfectly fine. But you got to give credit to credit where credit is due, and respect where respect is due on certain sneakers, and this right here is one of those damn shoes, without a doubt in my mind. So we do have the Galaxy print on the paper as well, and they did come with some extra white tissue paper as well. So we did not get the special packaging on the 2012. They just came in that brown Nike box that we don't see really anymore. Here and there we'll see it, but we haven't seen it in a while. The same box that the Red October Yeezy 2s, actually all Yeezy 2s came in. It was the NRG box at the time, and then they started making other releases in the box, that brown box. But here they are, the Galaxy Foamposite 1. I'm a huge fan of Foamposites. I always have been, I always will be, and to me, this is the one. This is it. If you're gonna get a Foamposite, this is the one. This is it. Resale was over $2,000 at one point. Some people were trading their damn car for this sneaker, which is absolutely insane. At least they posted to trade their used car. Did that deal actually go through? Who knows? But this sneaker right here, man, they retroed it. And like I said, I did wear them already. But you do have the glow-in-the-dark outsole. You guys can see they are dirty on the bottom. You do have the carbon fiber shank plate as well. And then the Galaxy print for the entire Foamposite upper. The one major difference, there's a few differences between this pair. I knew it right off the jump when I saw them. Is the major thing to me is the material. You guys can see they do fold up a little bit easier. You know, it's still stiff, but not nearly as stiff as older Foamposites. So Nike definitely changed a little bit of the material as far as Foamposites, but the Galaxy print is a little slightly off. I do remember them having a little bit more purple on the toe. I know some people were not a fan of this going on here on the toe, but yes, the 2012 did have a little bit more purple hue going on over here. I feel like the 2012 had a little bit purple here and there throughout the sneaker, but still, nonetheless, close enough. They're close enough. And yes, you can wear them with the Galaxy tag. So you do have the remove before flight tag. This is how you guys should wear it. If you're gonna wear it, awesome. I don't recommend doing that on Jordans. Most sneakers, I'll say that. But if you're gonna do it, this is how you do it. So you go ahead and tuck it in. It is a keychain here. So it's just attached to the top lace right here. Well, the top loop right here, the pull tab. And you just go ahead and tuck it into the laces so that it's not gonna fly on you. It's not gonna go anywhere. It's not gonna be a pain in the ass to wear. So that's how you do it in case you guys were wondering. You do have the soft uppers with that very nice nubuck upper. And then the Galaxy Foamposite material, the print throughout the entire upper is just amazing. It really, truly is. That whole entire pack from 2012, fire. Straight fire. They always were. They always will be. They retroed. We saw the LeBron 9s. We saw the KD 4 Galaxies. We saw these. I think you guys know what's coming. Should be coming anyway. We should be getting that Kobe. They should do it. I'm sure they will. They did every other sneaker from the pack that people cared about, so I'm sure they're going to wind up doing that Kobe as well, which is going to fly off the shelves. People are absolutely going to go crazy if they drop that Kobe as well. RIP to Kobe. But yes, these right here have been retroed. It's been retroed. In my opinion, this is just my opinion, guys. I do believe that if it's even a collab, but most sneakers will come back out again. It's just a matter of when. Timing, right? Not every single shoe, but most, I feel, especially Jordans, I feel like they will come back out. It's just a matter of when. And I'm not talking about PEs or samples. I'm talking about shoes that actually released to the public at one point. We will probably see them again. Just my opinion, and well, we've seen it multiple times. The first time I could remember, off the top of my head right now, that we saw that happen was back in 2013, to be honest. So in 2010, we got the Dornbecker 3. They did it again just 3 years later. I feel like that was the start, and they've been slowly doing it ever since. So we will be seeing this more often, as far as, you know, them releasing grail sneakers, expensive shoes. A big example coming out later on this year is the undefeated Air Jordan 4. So those undefeated 4s are going to be extremely hyped, but they're not going to be no $10,000, $20,000, $30,000 sneakers anymore. So the Galaxy Foamposite is not a $2,000 sneaker anymore. these are down to about $350, $400, depending on size, maybe $450 in the bigger sizes. It really depends what size you need. Sizing definitely matters on foamposites because a lot of bigger foot people, I should say, really prefer the bigger sizes when it comes to foamposites, driving that demand up a little bit more. So, guys, I'm extremely happy that Nike did this. Let me know down below in the comments, are you a fan that Nike is doing this? They're bringing back older sneakers that are worth so much money, and they're just saying, hey, here it is. I'm a fan of it. I think they're going to continue to do it. The one shoe that I think we all want, but I don't see it happening, is the Yeezy 2. That would be insane if they did all three, especially the Red October. I don't think they'll do it because of what's going on with Ye, but that's a whole nother discussion. So let me know what you guys think about these down below in the comments. The Nike swoosh, I believe, is a little bit of a different color. I think it's darker on the 2012 as well, from what I remember, as well as the 1 cent penny logo on the tongue and the back heel as well. So yeah, very, very close nonetheless. Let me know what you guys think about the Galaxy foamposites. Are these a cop for you? Are they a drop? Did you pick up a pair? Let me know. Are you paying resale? Did you pay resale like I did? I paid $400 for them. Size 11. I'll take it because, like I said, sentimental value for me. That's where I'm at with shoes, with keeping shoes and everything. Sentimental value above all for me personally. So let me know what you guys think about these down below in the comments section. I do want to give you guys a quick notice that I know I make these resale videos. I just want to make this very clear. I'm not a full-blown reseller. I never was. I'm not out here buying shoes left and right to resell. Guys, my extent of reselling, I just want to establish this real quick. My extent of reselling is if I hit for retail and don't want the sneaker, yeah, I'm going to sell it and make some money on it, and then I'm going to go buy something I'd rather have. Prime example. So that's my extent of reselling. I know I make the resale videos, but I am not a full-blown reseller. Some of these other people that you see making videos are full-blown resellers. I'm not. I just want to make that very, very clear to you guys. So yes, let me know what you guys think about the Galaxy Foamposite 1. I do prefer the Galaxy Foamposite 1 over the Pros because I'm not a huge fan of the swoosh being in the middle. It's cool. I get why they did it, but I just prefer it being cleaner. We don't need the extra swoosh in the middle, in my opinion. So I'm very, very happy that they brought them back. You got the glow-in-the-dark outsole, and it's just a grail. It's a grail for a lot of people. If you know, you know. This is a grail for a lot of people in the sneaker community. It truly is. Myself included, and I just never wanted to go back and spend the money again. I'll be honest, I never wanted to go back and spend $1,000, $1,500, $2,000 on this sneaker all these years. I figured in my head, I was like, you know what? I think Nike's gonna do it one day. It's been 13 years, but they did it. They brought it back, and I'm expecting them to do it more. So be on the lookout in the next few months, like I said, Undefeateds, but even in the next few years, I think Nike is going to keep doing this. They're going to keep dropping these exclusive, rare sneakers that they dropped before to the public that are worth so much money, and they'll just say, here it is again. I think they'll do it. Jeff Staple, he put up a post on the Pigeons. I commented, just do it. Nike's slogan, just do it. Will we see the Pigeons again? Who knows? It's up to Nike, but I do think Jeff did that for a purpose. I think Nike asked him. Just my opinion. I think Nike asked him, and he was like, you know what? Let me put up a post. Just my opinion. No facts behind that. Just my opinion. But yes, the fact of the matter is the Galaxy Foamposite has retroed, and I think we're going to see it more. Let me know what you guys think about the Galaxy Foamposites. Make sure you guys smash that like button for me, and make sure you guys smash that subscribe button. We're trying to hit 100,000 subscribers this year, so please make sure you guys smash that like button and hit that subscribe button for me. Let me know, leave a comment down below, and let me know what you guys think about the Galaxy Foamposites. They're back. I'm so happy. You have no idea. This sneaker is one of the shoes that, and to be honest with you guys, I haven't been too crazy about picking up shoes, like so excited. I got the Bread 185. I got the black toe ones, right, the Reimagines. And I was like, cool, I still have them. I'll wear them eventually. But this sneaker meant more to me than those did, if that makes any sense. Sentimental value. I've just been on this sentimental value wave, and do I really need that shoe? Am I really going to wear that shoe? type thing. That's how I've been personally when it comes to keeping sneakers lately. So let me know what you guys think about these. Let me know what type of timing you're on when it comes to picking up personal shoes. What are you doing personally for your collection? And well, there's what I'm doing with my collection lately. Just focusing on sentimental value and shoes that actually mean something to me, more than just picking up everything that's releasing. I'll give you an example. The new Union ones, I don't care for them. I never cared for Union a day in my life. I'm just being honest. I didn't go back and ever go cop the 2017 or 18, whatever year it was. I think it was 2018. I didn't go back and cop the first 2 pairs. I could have, right? I can go spend the money right now. I just don't care for Union. That's the honest truth. So yeah, I need to have some sentimental value for me to basically spend resale at this point. And this right here, sentimental value, like crazy for me. 2014 high school graduation, and just a grail. It truly is. Let me know what you guys think about them. Make sure you guys smash that like button for me. Hit that subscribe button. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you guys join the More family. Hit that subscribe button. Smash that like button. We're always on the grind. We're never gonna stop. Always dropping that fire. Straight fire. Thank you guys so much for watching. We out.